Hi friends, welcome to our channel Lifestyle with Shenica. Today we are going to learn how to make fried rice. This is Veg Fried Rice. For this I have taken 1 cup of cooked basmati rice which is almost 90% cooked. 1 cup of cabbage. 1 tablespoon of capsicum. 2 tablespoons of beans. 2 tablespoons of green peas. Around 3 to 4 tablespoons of carrot. And while cooking we will add all the sauce, that is tomato ketchup and chili sauce, soya sauce and oil as per requirement. Let's start cooking. Heat up a kadai and add around 1 tablespoon of oil in it. In the oil, add all the green vegetables and saute it well. Cook the vegetables till it is 50 to 70% done. Add salt according to your requirement. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix it all well together. At this stage, add the rice in it. Mix it well together. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder in it. And mix it all together. It's done. Let's turn off the stove and serve it. Our super delicious veg fried rice is ready. Do try this at your home and tell me your feedback in the comment section below. Also share this video with your friends. Let them also come to know how to make veg fried rice at home. If you wish to see this video in Tamil, go and check our Tamil channel Let's Know It with Shenica. I have given the link in description box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once you hit the subscribe button, you will get regular notification of our channel video. And that's it for today, friends. See you all soon with an interesting new recipe. And this is Shenica signing off here. Stay tuned. Bye, friends.